If you have ever looked at the performance of a stock, you have probably seen the term standard deviation. Let's simplify what it measures. In finance, standard deviation is the primary gauge for volatility. It tells you how far an investment's price typically strays from its historical average. Think of it as a comfort zone. In a normal market, about 2/3 of price changes will stay within one standard deviation of the mean. Investors use this number to assess risk. A high standard deviation means the price is unpredictable, while a low number suggests a smoother ride. Comparing assets side by side helps you see the trade-off. Low deviation assets are often boring but steady, while high deviation assets bring more excitement. This chart shows how different asset classes compare. You can see how a startup stock has significantly more potential for wild price swings than a bond. Remember that this is just a measure of the ride, not the destination. A volatile stock can still be a long-term winner. Understanding standard deviation is a great step toward managing your own risk. Like and subscribe for more money basics.